Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to Labib and Jafi's Take. And so today I am here from for class 1 English version, and our subject is math. And our today's topic is word problems part 2. And I have already given some word problems in my last video, that is in part 1. You can get the video from my YouTube channel. So today we are going to show some word problems from class 1's math book. So let's start. So student, we are now at page 69 and our problem is, here is the question. So let's go through the question. Two teams are playing Hadoodoo with 6 players in each. How many players are playing? Number 1, here in one team there are 6 players. In two teams there are, so if we want to find the number of players in two teams, and we can see in one team there are 6 players, so we have to multiply this 6 by 2. That is, if we multiply 6 by 2, then we get 12 players. So 12 players are playing Hadoodoo. So students, let's go to our next question. Student, this is again from page 69 and this is our second word problem. There are 8 bananas in a bunch and 9 bananas in another bunch. What is the total number of bananas? So students, we can see that this is the addition word problem. So let's go through the word problem. Number 2, here in one bunch there are 9 bananas. In another bunch there are 8 bananas. So we can see in one bunch there are 9 and in another there are 8. So we have to add this number. So total 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Because after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that is, there are 17 bananas in total. So student, this is our second word problem. Now let's go to our third word problem. Student, this is from page 71. So let's go through the question. There were 17 students practicing subtraction in the classroom. 5 of them did not calculate accurately. How many students solved it accurately? The students, we can see 5 of them did not calculate accurately. How many students solved it accurately? The students, we have to find the number of students who have solved the math accurately or correctly. So let's go through the answer. So number 3, here there were in total 17 students. Did not calculate accurately 5 students. So we have to do subtraction here. So if we do subtraction, that is, if we subtract 5 from 17, that is 12. Because if we add 12 plus 5 is equal, that is 17. So left 12 students. So 12 students solved it accurately. So students, let's go to our fourth word problem. So students, here is a mistake. Here Korim had 14 spinning tops, from which he gave Bithi 6 spinning tops. How many spinning tops were left with Korim? So students, we can see here that Korim had 14 spinning tops and he gave Bithi 6 spinning tops. So we have to find the number of tops remaining with Korim. So here number 4, Korim had 14 spinning tops and he gave Bithi 6 spinning tops. So here, so Korim had 8 spinning tops left, because if we do here the calculation, we get left is 14 minus 6 is equal to 8 spinning tops. So that's why Korim had 8 spinning tops left. So student, this is our today's fourth word problem. Now let's go to our fifth word problem. So here is our fifth word problem, and the question is, Isha's mother gave Isha 4 guavas out of 11 guavas. How many guavas were left with her mother? So we can see in the question that her mother had 11 guavas and her mother gave Isha 4 guavas. So we have to find the number of guavas left with her mother. So number 5 here, Isha's mother had 11 guavas. Isha got 4 guavas. So if we do the subtraction here, then we get 7 guavas, because if we add 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So after 4, if we calculate 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So at the 7th position or 7, we get the 11 number. That's why 7 guavas. So 7 guavas were left with Isha's mother. So students, this is our 5th word problem. Now let's go to our next word problem. Now this is our next word problem from page 82. Taslima went to a shop with 13 taka. She bought a notebook of 8 taka. How much money was left with her? So students, we can see this is a new type of word problem. This is related with money. So let's see the solution. So number 6 here, Taslima had 13 taka. She bought for 8 taka. Then if we do the subtraction, then we get 5 taka, because Taslima had 13, and if we subtract 8 from 13, we get 5. To prove it, if we add 8 plus 5, then we get 13. So 5 taka was left with Taslima. So students, this is our 6th word problem. Now let's go to our next word problem. That means 7. So students, now we are in page 85, and this is the question here. In grade 1 of a school, there are 24 boys and 25 girls. How many students are in grade 1 of the school? So students, we can see here that there are 24 boys and 25 girls in a grade 1 or class 1 school, and we have to calculate the number of students in that class of the school. So here is the solution. In grade 1, there are 24 boys. There are 25 girls. So if we do the addition here, then we will get 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. That is 49. So total 49 students. So there are 49 students in grade 1. So student, this is our 7th word problem. Now we will go to our next and the last word problems of today's video. So student, this is our today's last word problem from page 85, and we can see the question. Sabita has been reading a book. She read 13 pages yesterday and 10 pages today. How many pages did she read in these 2 days? So students, we have to find the number of pages he read in total in these 2 days. So we have to add this 13 and 10. Then we will get the answer. So let's see the solution. Number 8 here. Yesterday she read 13 pages. Today she read 10 pages. Then we have to add this thing. Then if we add, we will get 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is 23 pages. So total 23 pages. So she read 23 pages in 2 days. So students, this is the last word problems of today's video, and these are the word problems for today. So student, thank you for watching. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, comment, and also don't forget to share. And for new videos, must subscribe our channel. So that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.